cleaner. It's a super heavy duty. So Bonza says heavy duty and Too Easy says super heavy duty. It's called Too Easy. Now that picks up anything. Well, it certainly looks cleaner. I want to open the shop when I have 1,000 kilos. Can't remember exactly how many kilos I already have, but I think it's close to 450. Adding this up, it's already delivering over 300 kilos plus of weights with 20s and 10s and 15s and all the whole shebang, and a bench and a whole bunch of like kettlebells and stuff. He took it all outside, waiting for someone to show, like 300 kilos plus worth of weights. They didn't come. Then he messaged me, you know, if I'm still keen, and I was. So this is from the last batch. Spent days clearing space. I have to have room for 300 kilos. My first kettlebell. The rest is just being cleaned. So they're just getting a professional deep clean, just getting Too Easy degreasy, and then you have to pick it up. So then you have to like make sure you wipe it off, and then spray on a general cleaner, make sure you pick that up, reverse it, do the other side. Only a couple of them need sanding, and it's a little bit of rust buster. Pretty big barbell. Parts for cable machine. The belly bar, small bar. Oh, it's really light. I don't really know what it's for. It actually takes quite a bit of effort to get all these weights ready and prepped for cleaning. At the moment, it's taking me half an hour per side. Doesn't look like 300 kilos. It's insane. The free ended up costing us $50 because there's 100 people interested. They said, look, if you give us $50, you can come get it. So I did that. The guy that keeps coming back to me, he's ordered the 215s and they need to be done. Getting orders come in? How funny is that? I like have people who want to order stuff. This is a new batch. These are all the 5 kilo weights. 2 more 5s down there. It's like a big chunk of 5s. These are my 2.5s, 4 kilos. 10 kilos. 10 kilos with rubber plates. The 215 kilos. That's the weight plates I have to clean today. What do you think this is? I think something's living in it. I should spray it with something. Whatever is happening, I don't want to be here when it happens. Why did I put these here? Yuck. And this is Too Easy. I call it the Too Easy Degreasy. People ask me where it's from. It's from XO2 in Burleigh Head. You can buy it online. You buy $99 or more, as in $100, they will deliver it. I've never been there. I don't like to go out. I used it for all my bottom cleaning. This is the thing that went over everybody's kitchens. That can get blood out of concrete. I'm going to scrub it with Ryobi Tough Black. This is the hardest one that they got. I'm going to put it on the drill. Well, it certainly looks cleaner. So we'll just Too Easy the other side, get the grease off. And you have to pick it up because otherwise it's going to stay on there and then the paint won't stick. You take it off, you just wipe it off. So make sure you spray it with some detergent water. Oh my goodness. standing for 1 hour and 45 minutes. That is a lot faster than the last time. It used to take me half an hour aside. 2 houses, 8 minutes apart, and they came with these 2 bars, which is the 2 longest bars we have. It's missing a piece. Can't sell it if it's missing a piece. The last one that I had was missing this piece. Of course, didn't know until I got home. And this one has this piece, but this one only has one of these. That's where the bar goes. I gotta check. Like, why didn't I check? And I was really distracted when I'm at people's houses, like people talking to me and stuff, and I can't think at the best of times, you know? The car, oh my goodness, look. This is in the bumper. I've got stuff in the bumper. Oh wow, that's where the spare tyre is. There's stuff in here. Oh, this must be stuff from ages ago. Yeah, I do have spare pieces. Oh, I sold dumbbells without these. I didn't think I had them. It was in there. Imagine how much gym stuff I've got down there. Meant to do, like, if you want like the most potent Too Easy ever, a 4:1 ratio, but I just got the bottle and poured it in there. I live life dangerously like that. This stuff's way better than bug spray. A spider actually crawled onto one of these while I was working, and I was spraying Too Easy at the time, and he got a small mild dose of it and he just killed over. He just went flat dead. Over in Bunnings I got things to protect myself, like more filters for my mask, gloves that I can wear for chemicals. Painting and chemicals like rust buster. I'm going to try my Ryobi today. The cool about this attachment is just a button here. Out of the last haul I got, it was about 210 kilos. Everything I buy, the money I'm just counting as weights. Everything else after that's just a bonus. I've got all these weights to go. The piles are getting smaller. Too Easy is definitely the way to go when it comes to like degreasing and cleaning it. It's just very quick. It looks physically cleaner. It was covered in so much rust it was orange. I did not know that it was blue underneath. You can see they're very blue. They're actually a hammer tone blue. They're all being like rust busted. These ones are just drying. As soon as they're dry, we're gonna get a coat of paint. These are the 2 sets of dumbbells. This is just crusted on there. This dumbbell comes with this cool cover. We need to take it off so that we can clean the dumbbell. I've been working on it. So I used a few tricks.